Hi everyone! Today is lesson 4. You're gonna learn more notes reading a sheet music. Let's get to the lesson. So now you are learning bass D. Okay, find a place that a D below middle C. So remember, this is just about the keyboard. Middle C. Below that, find a D. Okay, this is C, so this is the D. Okay, that is this note. Line 3 on the bass clef, that's the bass D. Okay, looking at the music, 4 fours, right? Right hand, there's no note. Left hand is bass clef. Number 3 goes on D note you just learned. Okay, so number 3, I usually do braces with the thumb and hit the D. Okay, half note, so 1, 2, remember? And quarter notes, 1 beat. That's half note, 2 beats, another 2 beats. That's the repeat mark. Go back again, play, and go through to the end. Let's see together. 1, 2, 3, go. D, 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 D. Repeat. D, 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 D. Next. D, 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 D. Okay, then let's use that D note and let's go to the next page. So this song has one more note, learning bass C now. Okay, so find the D again, bass D here, then one note lower, that's bass C. That's the second space note, bass C. All right, let's play this song. 4 fours again, so count 4 before you start, which is I'm gonna count. Play number 3 on the C, okay, and that means D will be number 2, okay, because C you're gonna play 3, then next note to the right, which is D, you're gonna play with the number 2, okay, so 3 and 2, and then right hand starts here. G, remember, second line note is a G. That's the C, D, E, F, G. 5. Start from the C right there. And at the end, you play middle C, left hand bass C. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, C, D, C, D. C, D, C, D, C, G, F, E, D, F, E, D, C, E, D, C, 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 D, C, D, C, D, C, D, C, G, F, E, D, F, E, D, C, E, D. Together, C. Good. Okay, let's go to the next song. Next one is C 5-finger scale in the bass clef. Bass clef. Second space note, C, which is here. And then go up, line note, step up, D, space note, E, step up, E. That's a new one, okay? And line note, F. And one more step up, G. Okay, then let's set your hands in the C 5-finger scale. C, D, E, F, G. those 5 notes. Okay, now right hand starts here, right? Left hand is all set to play this song. Now the right hand, C, number 1. All right, then you are all set. Okay, in the last note, play the lowest C, which is all the way there. Let's play this song. 1, 2, 3, go. C, D, E, F, G, C, G, F, E, D, C, D, F, G, F, E, D, C, G, C. Lowest ones. Good. Okay, let's go to next song. The octave. Okay, what is that? The distance from middle C to bass C is 8 notes. This is called an octave with left hand finger 1, which 1 here, and 5. Okay, 1, 5. So 5 like this. Try this. Try this. Okay. All right, then let's play this song. 4 4s. Count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, C, C. C, C, C. C, B, A, B, C, C, C. Now it says 3. Brace with the thumb. And 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. But the notes are going up to the C. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, C, C. Did you get it? Let's do one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, 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 B, A, B, C, 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 D, F, G, A, B, C, C, C. Good. Let's go to next page. Copycat. Let's play 5 on, what is this note? Remember? Second line note on the treble clef. G, okay? Okay, so this is G. Ready? And then left hand starts here. Number 1 on, what's the note? G. Okay, ready? So number 1 a G. Let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, F, E, D, C, E, G. Left hand G, F, E, D, C, E, G. Right hand D, F, G, F, E, D. Left hand D, F, G, F, E, D. Right hand G, F, E, D, C, E, G. Left hand G, F, E, D, C, E, G. Right hand D, F, G, E, D, C. Left hand E, F, G, E, D, C. Be careful. G to E, right? Now this one's G to E. Skip the note, skip the finger to G, E. Okay? Now you pause this video and practice couple times. Let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, F, E, D, C, E, G. G, F, E, D, C, E, G. D, F, G, F, E, D. D, F, G, F, E, D. G, 62. Grandmother. All right. Left hand starts 1 on G. And the last measure, right hand is E, D, C. Left hand is G, F, E. Okay. So right hand is E, D, C. Left hand is G, F, E. Those together sounds like this. Pretty. Start 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, skip down, step up. D, D, skip. E, step up. 1, 2, E, C. G, E, C. D, 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 F. Together. E, D, C. Okay, then repeat sign. So you practice with the repeat. Now let's do again. 1, 2, 3, go. G, E, C, G, E, C, D, 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 F, E, F, G. Together. G, E, C, G, E, C, D, 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 F, E, D, C. Very good. Okay, how was the lesson? Follow me. Video is gonna come out every week. Free piano lesson with me. Isn't that great? See you next video.